Alright, so next I'm on the marking table and the hospital rotary, doing a clearance check on the machine orientations for this chassis casting. And first on the front, and then we'll slide the idler. Now part pivots around and stand up the table, and those are the two main boards for the main chassis tubes, the next area, the area, and it's like that there, so it should be any problems. And then the part swings around, and flip one more time, doing a clear machine on the back, so the pivot location is. And all in all, pretty good. No obvious clearance issues, so this is a go, and we'll start machine tomorrow. Excellent. Alright, so I have the 5th axis indexer mounted onto the Martin trunnion table and the Haas 4th rotary. I'm doing a little bit of a clearance check on all the various machining orientations for this chassis casting. And first it's on the front, then a little bit of a slot for the idler. Now part pivots around and stands up really proud from the table. And those are the two main boards for the main chassis tubes that connect the swing arm pivot area to the A arm pivot area. And it's a light cut there, so there shouldn't be any problems. And then the part swings around and flips one more time, do a bit of clearance machining on the back where the swing arm pivot location is. And all in all, everything looks pretty good. No obvious clearance issues, so this is a go, and we'll start machining tomorrow. Excellent.